Hey everyone, happy Saturday. It's Lisa, how you doing? It is the most beautiful day here in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. We are getting ready for a big hour show on QVC2 at 5 p.m. with Sandra Bennett. So I don't know what you guys are doing. I mean, it is a beautiful day, so you might be outside, just saying. But if you need a break from the sun, or if you just need a break, period, come join us, okay? Carol Ann, how are you? You are first on the board today. We're getting so excited. So it's with Sandra Bennett. And I don't know if you guys know, but you got to listen to this. All Temptations is up to 20% off over on QVC. All Temptations. Hi, Cheryl. How you doing? Hi, Letty. How are you? All Temptations. Up to 20% off over on QVC. So it's a limited time offer. I think it ends Wednesday night at midnight. I think that's the story. Not exactly sure. Sometimes things change. But yep, that's what's going on. So big hour show in about 36 minutes with Sandra Bennett. I'm so excited to work with Sandra. Like, we don't always get to do cook shows with Sandra. We do a lot of gardening shows and home decor shows, but how fun to do a cook show with Sandra. So what are you guys up to today? Is it nice where you are? Are you guys out in the sunshine today? Because it is so beautiful here. Linda's here, and Lisa's here, and Mickey's here, and Arnold's here. How you guys doing? Hi, Cherie. How are you? So look, I just wanted to give you kind of a sampling of what we have in the show. So first of all, we have our square dinnerware, and it's a 12-piece set. 12 pieces, service for 4. And it is about, hi John, good afternoon to you as well. It's $2.60 a piece. Yep, $2.60 a piece. And like these glass bottles, set it to $14. So here's the deal. Head on over to QVC, do all of your Temptation shopping because it is up to 20% off. Everybody is jumping on. Oh, are you working, Cheryl? Me too. What do you know? Say we have that in common. But you guys, look at these glass bottles, perfect for this time of the year. A lot of the things are the final order of the year. They're retiring pieces. We won't be bringing them back because we're getting ready for Temptations Days in August. So we got a lot of stuff going on. Oh, Dolores is checking in from Michigan. What's it like in Michigan? Is it beautiful? Is the weather nice? We're in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and it is warm here today. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful summer weekend, even though it's still spring. What do you think about that? Looking for the square plates, might have to get them. Faye, I think it's, hold on. I'm going to tell you exactly how much it is. I think it's $37 and change or $38, something like that. It's crazy, whatever it is. And it's retiring. We're not bringing it back. And the best part is that we have it in, I think it's gray old world, gray floral lace. Steph, what's the third color?
Gray old world, gray floral lace, and black floral lace.
Black floral lace. So here's the deal that I love about that. They're super neutral colors and they go with everything. So think about picking it up if you can, even as just your extra set of dinnerware, because that's amazing. Dolores says it's hot today, 86. But the temperatures are dropping tomorrow. Got it. Hi, Lisa from Missouri. Hi, Shelly. How you doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. So we're over here. We're getting ready for QVC2, an hour show with Sandra Bennett. Earlier, we were on with Rosina Grosso over on QVC. We had so much fun. She was filling in for Mary for In the Kitchen with Mary. So it was just, it's been such a fun day. Les is here, and Ruth is here, and Donna is here, and Mary Jo is here. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. So listen, if you have the time, come hang with us at 5 o'clock. It's Sandra and myself and Kevin and Steph, and we're going, Kevin and Steph are helping behind the scenes, and Sue's here from New Jersey, and we're just gonna show some great products at some amazing, amazing values. So if you're up for picking up some Temptations, if you're looking for gift giving, maybe it's wedding season or shower season, or maybe you just want to add to your own collection, head on over to QVC. When you go to QVC's homepage, it's right at the top. You'll see a beautiful picture of a patriotic table. By the way, this cake plate that's in the show, 20% off. Wait, look at this, you guys. Look how cute this is. Yes, isn't this, it's like a double decker. Oh, you know what, this would be so pretty. It's my husband's birthday on Tuesday. It'd be pretty to put his cake on here, wouldn't it? I don't have a cake plate, believe it or not. I need one. Anyway, thank you very much, Sally. I hope you guys can join us, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend if you can't join us. And then Tara will be on tomorrow in the kitchen with David. So definitely be sure to tune in. And she has 3 great items with David. But the big story, all Temptations up to 20% off. So happy shopping, and we'll see you at 5 o'clock, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.